I'm Morgan at Buffalo City Jug Shop in Kill Devil Hills, North Carolina, and I'm checking in. We try to create a really relaxed, fun environment for our customers to hang out and have a few pints of delicious North Carolina craft beer. We go all over the state trying to find new breweries, new beer that we can bring back home to the Outer Banks. We go to Charlotte to pick up Wooden Robot, sometimes go to Asheville to get Burial. We've started picking up Trophy out of Raleigh. So one of our things that we try to focus on is finding new and upcoming breweries and that don't have distribution yet and bring them in. Stop in and see us sometime, get a pint.